Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware and account basics. TPM2. 0. Secure boot, required CPU and available disk space. Next, create a current backup using OneDrive or an external drive so you can restore files if needed. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account and verify your Windows 10 activation state. This ensures a smooth license transfer. Then run Windows Update and update drivers, so the upgrade tool has the latest components before you begin the installation. Launch the official installation assistant or check Windows Update and select the Windows 11 upgrade. When prompted, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps to preserve data and installed programs. This is the key option that prevents data loss. The tool will download and verify files. This can take time depending on connection speed. Then it will copy and install. Make sure the device is plugged in and stays connected to the internet. You'll see multiple restarts while Windows migrates settings and drivers. After installation, complete the out-of-box experience. Sign in, pick privacy options, and let Windows finalize device setup. Verify activation in settings and check Device Manager for any missing drivers. Run Windows Update again to fetch patches. If an app or file is missing, first look in the original user folders and OneDrive. If the upgrade fails or you encounter serious issues, use the recovery options to roll back to Windows 10 or restore from your backup. Keep one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.